Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Zoo on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card. Next, purchase and download Planet Zoo from a digital storefront like Steam. Once downloaded, simply follow the on-screen prompts to install the game, which typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed and system. Once installed, launch Planet Zoo and familiarize yourself with the user interface and camera controls. You can rotate, zoom, and pan to view your zoo from every angle. Begin by placing your first animal habitat, ensuring it meets the species' specific needs for space, temperature, and enrichment. Remember to hire essential staff, such as zookeepers to care for animals and mechanics to repair facilities, keeping your zoo running efficiently. As your zoo grows, focus on designing engaging guest facilities. Place shops, food stalls, and restrooms strategically to keep visitors happy and generate revenue. Actively research new animals, habitat items, and building pieces to unlock more options and improve your zoo's appeal. Maintaining a healthy budget is crucial. Monitor your income from ticket sales and manage expenses carefully to ensure long-term success and expansion. For advanced play, dive into the Steam Workshop to discover thousands of custom blueprints and designs created by other players. This can save you hours of building time. Don't shy away from using the terrain tools and water features to craft truly unique and natural-looking habitats for your animals. Finally, engage with the vibrant Planet Zoo community online. It's an excellent resource for tips, inspiration, and sharing your own amazing creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.